Hello Satya. Greetings from United States, the COVID hub of the world. And as you can see, I'm trying to protect myself against COVID. So anyway, happy birthday to you, Satya. I hope you enjoy your day to the fullest, and God bless you. Bye.
Many happiness of the day, Satya. May God fulfill all your wishes. Bye.
Hey, many happy returns of the day to the sweetest girl, cutest girl, and the bubbliest girl I know, and my awesome happy. And just stay the way you are. Don't change yourself, and live your life fullest. Enjoy the day, enjoy the year. May God bless you with all the happiness, and I wish that all your dreams come true. Okay, have a nice day, and happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Sati Mami.
Sati Mommy.
Many happy returns of the day. Tell you happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Satya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Satya. Have a great day.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Happy birthday, Satya, mommy.
Happy birthday, Satya Mommy.
मैं तू मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Satya. God bless you.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Satya. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Satya. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Satya. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Satya.
Happy birthday, Satya. Hi Satya, many happy returns of the day on October 9th. May God bless you and Raghu with peace of mind, happiness, good health and marital bliss.
Hi, Satya. Happy birthday. God bless you. Take care. Hi, Satya. பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவோம் கேக்கெல்லாம் விட்டு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கும் ஓகே
Hey, Sattu. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Satu.
थोड़ा मुस्कुराओ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sattu. Happy birthday to you. Mwah. Happy birthday, my little sister. Love you. God bless you. God bless you with good health. Lots of happiness, dear. Love you. Bye. तुम्हें कुछ बोलना है? तुम बोलो.
Okay, bye bye.
आगे
Happy
बोलो.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. We all love you and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Satya. Take care
Happy
and
birthday,
enjoy.
Satya.
Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Satya. Happy birthday to you.
bless you.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Satya. Happy birthday to you. Lots of blessings.
Hey Padma, happy birthday to you. You know, October month brings birthday of two of my favorite people, you and my mom. See, mom daughter, it's a very beautiful connection. No, we two have the same. So I always miss you. The laughter, your laughter, really I miss it so much. So I want you to be very happy and keep laughing the way you used to, and stay always happy, stay blessed. Okay.
Hi Padma. பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் to you. பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் dear Padma. பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். Happy birthday. We hope that this meant happy birthday in Tamil. We tried our best. Have a nice day. Bye.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag, Padma, und liebe dich sehr.
Hallo Padma, wie geht es dir? Ich wünsche dir alles Gute und viel Glück zum Geburtstag. Bleib gesund. Tschüss.
Hi Padma. First of all, wish you many more happy returns of the day. I wish you a lot of happiness and success for the upcoming years. You've been an awesome friend for the last 8 years. I'm really thankful that you always guided me and helped me in a lot of stuff. Be kind and be helpful as you are. Don't change at all. I still need to book one travel ticket from your agency, which I'll book. Definitely will plan to book post-COVID. I'm really glad and happy that you got an awesome family and a good husband. Enjoy your birthday, stay safe, and always be happy and keep smiling.
Hi Padma, wishing you a very wonderful and happy birthday and many more happy returns of the day. I hope all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. Enjoy and have a blast.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Satya. God bless you.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Satyavani. Have fun, enjoy.
Happy birthday, Satya. God bless you.
Satya, wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you.
சத்யாமன்னி, இனிய பிறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். வாழ்க பாரதம்.
Happy birthday, Satya.
Hi Gubu, many happy returns of the day. Have an amazing year, da. Take care, enjoy, bye.
Happy birthday.
We wish you a happy birthday, Padma.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your
Padma.
lockdown birthday. May God bless you with lots of love and happiness. Happy birthday.
Padma. Have fun and take care of yourself and your family as well. And happy lockdown birthday once again.
See ya. Enjoy your birthday. Say bye.
Bye.
Satya.
चलो.
Happy birthday to Satya.
Happy birthday चलूँगा Satya हो गया.
Happy birthday to you.
சரி என்ன எடுங்க. ஏய் என்ன எடு. பிடிச்சிக்கோ. இந்த நடுவில் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதை அமுத்தாதே.
இதை கெட்ட அமுத்தணுமா?
அமுத்தாதே. Happy birthday to you. Satya, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Satya. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
I hope you're enjoying the day. இன்றைக்கி நான் என்ன நினச்சேன் அப்படின்னாக்க, உனக்கு தமிழில் வாழ்த்து சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னு நினச்சேன். ஏமாற்றங்கள் நீங்கி எதிர்பார்ப்புகள் நடந்து நினைத்த காரியம் கைகூடி பொன்னான எதிர்காலம் வண்ணமயமாக அமைய வேண்டி உன்னுடைய இந்த பிறந்த நாளில் மனதார வாழ்த்தும் சித்தப்பா சித்தி.
ஆசீர்வாதம். நூறாண்டு காலம் வாழ்க, நோய் நொடிகள் இல்லாம வளர்க, ஆசீர்வாதம் நன்னா இருங்கோ. பொண்ணு மாப்பிள்ளை.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே சத்யா.
Hi Satya, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you dear. எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் இந்த மாதிரி நல்லா மாட்டு பண்ணு கிடச்சது எங்காத்துக்கு. We are very lucky. Many more prosperity and happiness in your life. Take care. All the best. Enjoy my dear.
Hi Satya, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. God bless you with all the prosperity and happiness in your life. And we are very happy that there is a entrepreneur in our family. All the best to you. Live happily. Bye.